How to get mods in Minecraft Bedrock Switch. Is it even possible to get mods in Minecraft Bedrock on the Nintendo Switch? Let's find out in this video. So if you are trying to do this on your Nintendo Switch, first of all, you need to open up Minecraft and then go to the Marketplace tab. So you need to head over to the Marketplace. When you open up the marketplace in your Nintendo Switch, you have the option to search for skin packs, world textures, etc. by going into the Worlds tab. You can find lots of add-ons that might modify your game. So you just have to keep in mind that these adds on in our mods should require mine coins in order to activate them. So the reason why I'm showing this is because this is the official Minecraft marketplace, is the only way on how you can get this. So this is the only proper way to add mods to a Nintendo Switch. So as of now, Nintendo does not allow modding on Minecraft. So the only way you can do this is in the marketplace. Besides this, to add it manually is not possible. So the purpose of this video is to show you the only way how to do it in the Nintendo Switch. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.